So welcome back to part 2 of the shocking video footage from inside Walmart. In this video here, we're going to see what is taking place with the chicken situation. Now, you're also going to see that the lack of Walmart chicken. You're going to see that there's more of Purdue chicken. You're also going to see the price of Walmart's chicken breast that has gone up 40 cents in 1 week. You're going to see some shortages on rice, flour, sugar, all these different types of goods. Paper products, you're going to be blown away. I mean, they don't have nothing as far as paper plates, cups, any of that kind of stuff. There is nothing. Completely wiped out. Shelves are empty. You're going to see that. They also have a very high shortage of water in this store for some reason. Don't understand why, but must be they're just not getting the goods. So sit back, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked this little video series that I did myself with my own video camera. And this way here, everybody has proof of what I am talking about. So sit back and enjoy. And thank you for watching Survival Preparedness for Beginners. All right, we're going to start back where we left off before, folks, back here over at the chicken section. There is a ton of Purdue chicken in this store, but look at the chicken breasts. That's $2.78 a pound. Last week it was $2.38 a pound when I bought it. That's 40 cents in 1 week. As you can see, as we go back through here, there's not a lot. Purdue, they had the most of. Used to be Walmart had the most and everybody else had less. But times have changed. Things have changed. You know, I mean, the prices are just going up on all poultry and stuff. That's thanks to the bird flu. We all know that. They didn't have really much for pork at all, folks. I mean, it was pretty pathetic, really. A few little things, Italian sausage, a few steaks here and there. But the prices of steaks and stuff were just outrageous. The same with hamburger and everything else. Now we're over here. You know, there's not much for instant potatoes and beans and rice. They just don't have it on the shelves. It's basically empty. I mean, they do have a few products, but nothing like what there used to be. You know, they have a lot of this instant crap, but that isn't any good. Canned goods, a lot of it was all front faced, you know, I mean, it made it look like it was full when it really wasn't. You can see the same with the soups and everything else. There's always ramen noodles. They'll spread those things out all over the store just to fill the whole shelves. It's just the way of the world now. All the crap food they want to try to push. I remember when I used to buy these things, those beef strips, for $3.20 something a gallon, for $3.20 something a can, I mean. You know, and now they're just astronomical in price. You know, they're over $5 a can. It's ridiculous. You know, pasta, the pasta section was hurting. It's been hurting since day one of March of 2020. It never has caught up, and I don't believe that it ever will. It's just, you know, very little of the Walmart stuff. You can buy the other brands, but they don't have much of that either. Canned goods. Well, I got down here to the canned goods, and as you can see, there isn't much of the Walmart brand of canned goods anymore. Very few. Very, very few, folks. The green beans and stuff are up to 58 cents a can now. So I had selected to get the big cans because they actually had them this time when I went. I got 4 cans of those because they were $1. So it's actually cheaper to buy them that way and put those into my pantry. You always have to pay attention. The date on the can was 2025, so I was pretty impressed with that, with given all the information, you know, that's going around. Pork and beans and Bush's beans and all this kind of stuff, that area has shrunk. They did have some. I did pick up a few more cans just to throw in the pantry because beans are a beautiful thing to have in an emergency type situation. It always pays to have beans. And you can see how they The shelves are, in certain items, everything's on the huge top shelf that nobody can reach. Now we come down through here, and this is where the flour is. And as you can see, there is not a lot of flour anymore. It's not like it used to be, folks. Very little pancake mix. And the sugar was hurting also. As usual, they front all the oils and everything else. We come down through. Oh, look, another pallet full of crap. Well, welcome to Walmart. And another one full of crap. This is over in the food area. Now we're coming down the paper aisle. This was really bad. I mean, this was like ransacked. I don't know if people bought a lot of these products in anticipation of hurricane season, which maybe possibly could be. But once again, there's nothing on the shelves. The shelves were empty. They had styrofoam. This is all styrofoam crap. I was wanting some paper plates, just the regular white paper plates, just to, buy a nice big pack so I could put them in my pantry and store them. But nope, not today, Zerg, not today. So we move on down through, and there's nothing anywhere that I need in this area because there's nothing left. So we head down the water aisle. And for some reason, this water aisle is hurting. Now, I just don't know if they just haven't stocked it yet or what the problem was or the issue. But once again, no bottled water whatsoever. Like I said, I don't know if people have been prepping for the hurricanes and they bought it all. But once again, they are empty. They did have the 40 packs for almost $6 now. They used to be $3.98, folks, back in the day when everything was nice and everything was pretty. The only thing that's left for us to go see that I wanted to show you out of this video is a horrifying subject that we're going through, baby formula. And once again, thank you for joining me on Survival Preparedness for Beginners. Stay safe, keep prepping.